Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you how to create a YouTube channel for your business. Before we go, please subscribe to my channel and please don't forget to click the notification bell that you will not miss any update videos. And you can also follow my Facebook page. Thank you. Before you create a YouTube channel, you need a Gmail account, okay, Google account. If you don't have Gmail account, you cannot create YouTube channel, okay, because YouTube is owned by Google, so you must have Gmail account. And you must think before you create a channel, what are you going to share with your audience. So please think about carefully. For example, do you want to create a food blog or food channel or travel channel? You must choose one. You cannot mix all the things together. If you share about technology, you have to share about technology. If you share about education, you have to share education. So please think carefully before you create a YouTube channel. You can create whatever you want, but people who interested specifically, they will come to your channel. For example, who are looking for teaching or about education, they will come to your channel if you created about education. If someone is interested about technology, if you created technology, then that people will come to your channel. So people have different interests and create a YouTube channel. So let's go to the screen. Go to the YouTube channel, and then you will see like this. This is your Gmail address, and then you sign in with your Gmail account, and then click here, and then you will see here create a channel. Now you have to write down what is your channel name. For example, Happy Vibe, and it's automatically come out Happy Vibe. Okay, so you can change here. Okay, and if not, okay, Happy Vibe 1. Okay, now it's correct. Now you need to upload a picture. Okay, open, and then click done. Okay, so now I have upload pictures and the name, the channel name, and also the handle. It means the username. So now click here, create channel. Okay, now I got the channel Happy Vibe. This is the YouTube channel how it look like. I hope this video will help you for your business. If useful this video, like, share and comment. Thank you for watching.